what does the trigger represent? So we will be having term called as trigger in a business process automation or workflow. So trigger here representing starting point. So the whenever we want to start any process in our workflow, it will be called with a trigger to indicate a start of a process. So that is starting point. Starting point represents the trigger. What is the primary goal of ERP system? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. And what is the primary goal of those systems? Fragmented data, integrated information, limited connectivity, or manual process. So it's actually the integrated information. So whenever we have uh, other options such as limited connectivity, it is not at all related to ERP. Manual process, no, that is not our goal. And fragmented data, no. Fragmented data means the data has been divided into different parts. That is also not a correct option. Correct option is integrated information. We want our information to be integrated so that it can be accessed by everyone through a centralized system. So ERP, the main purpose is or the primary goal is integrated information. In BPA, there is a part called as RPA. What is that RPA stand for? That is the question. So RPA stands for robotic process automation. So like whatever human task is there, manual task that we want to automate. How to automate that? It can be automated with the help of robotic process automation. There are some tools using which we can automate it. So the correct option over here is robotic process automation. Don't get confused with other options such as rapid production, resource planning algorithms, such things. They are just to confuse you. They don't have any sense. What is the role of a task in a workflow? So whatever task we have, what exactly it is. So whether it is a start point, end point, sequential activity, or a random decision. Whenever we are talking about a task means a sequential activity starting from particular start of a process till end, whatever sequential activity we will be doing, we will be calling it as a one task. So sequential activity represents a task. Random decision not at all related. Start and end point. No, start point is called as trigger and end point is not related to task. So whatever total sequential activity we have, that we call it as a task. How do workflows contribute to organization efficiency? So means by through which way workflows are contributing to organization's efficiency by creating chaos or by reducing accountability or streamlining processes or ignoring automation. So they are mhm, they are helping us through streamlining processes. They are not ignoring automation. Ignoring automation not related to efficiency. So this is not a correct option. Creating chaos, no, it's not creating chaos. Reducing accountability, no. So the correct option is streamlining process. Whatever set of process we have, the streamlining of that process has been done with the help of workflows. What is a parallel task in context of a workflow? So parallel task means you can say um, whenever you have such things, try to find a similar meaning. What is the similar meaning of parallel? Whether sequential, simultaneous, and or random. Parallel means happening at the same time. So the correct option is option B, simultaneous. The English meaning you can say parallel, simultaneous. Parallel, simultaneous, happening at the same time. That kind of sense. Sequential doesn't make sense. Endpoint, no. Random decision, not related. The correct option here is simultaneous activity, which refers to parallel task in the workflow. What is the significance of a real-time data in a ERP system? So real-time data, how they help us, whether they delayed decision making, improved decision making, reduced integration, or manual data entry. Here only you can see there are two options related to decision making: delayed decision making, improved decision making, or reduced integration, manual data entry. You can see the option A and B are uh, opposite of each other, delayed and improved. So one should be correct. And as I told, try to look for a positive answer in this unit. So the significance means they are looking for a positive thing in the ERP system, which is nothing but improved decision making. And actually, the decision making is important part of a ERP system, and with real time data, we are able to improve it. We are able to improve it. The other options such as delay decision making, no, it's actually improved. Reduced integration, no. ERP systems enhance the integration. Manual data entry, no. They want to reduce the manual data entry. So the correct option is improved decision making. Which type of automation focuses on mimicking human actions in digital processes? So, robotic process automation, business process management, document automation, decision support system. So, whenever we talk about automation, which is mimicking human action, in the sense we are talking about robotic processes, such as which whatever human does a manual work that are done by the robotic process automation system. So that's why the RPA is the correct option. RPA stands for robotic process automation, which mimics human action, or which whatever human does a manual action that will be done by the help of automation, that is robotic process automation in the digital processing. What is the functional unit in an organization? A functional units, different functional units have been created in organization, such as in the form of departments. So that are called as a functional unit, such as financial department, HR department, technical department, communication department. So these departments have division of labor, means the work has been divided into different departments. So the functional unit always refers to department. So the correct option is option A, department. A project not related to functional unit. A department can have a project. A department can have an individual employee and a task force. No, it is used for special purpose, not for the functional unit. These are the some of the possible questions. If you look into the previous year questions of a DCT, this unit may have lesser questions, but again, one question will be definitely coming, one or two questions. Uh, be thorough with this kind of uh, questions from business process automation and ERP system, so that you can score well in this uh, uh, unit, because it is easy to learn and interpret, nothing much. You just need to look over the concepts of organizational structure, the advantages of BPA, advantages of ERP, significance of those, and RPA. Not much concepts. Go through these questions and uh, try to practice similar questions. Try to learn and revise the similar concepts from the this unit. I hope this video helped you to revise your concepts of BPA and ERP in terms of TCT preparation. Thank you for watching this video.